27 says to click on the icon to view the table of new car features, and then this table up here will pop up. All right, so you'll see it. I just took a screenshot and stuck it on my PowerPoint. Anyway, what are we doing? It wants me to describe the following set in words and then find the set. So the following set is W intersected with G prime. W is anything that has a warranty of at least 3 years. Okay. If it says at least 3, that means it could be 3 or 4 or 5 or, you know, whatever. Now up in this table, I'm looking for anything that is a 3 or a 5, 4 or higher. I see that A has a 4 and B has a 4 and C has a 3. D has a 4. Nope, E only has a 2. F has a 3. G has a 4. But H only has a 2. Okay, so that's W. Then we're going to look for the complement of G. Now G says has a good rating, but we want the complement of that. So we're looking for, I just shrunk my screen. We're looking for does not have a good rating. Does not have a good safety rating. So take the has out of there. Does not have a good safety rating. Okay, so the safety rating, if you do not have a good one, then you're going to highlight anything that is not good. So this one says poor, this one says poor, the next one says good, moderate, good, good, moderate. I didn't worry about the ones that are not highlighted because that doesn't matter. And we're looking for the intersection, right? So you are looking for where the purple and the green overlap. And that is going to be these two and this one and this one. So when they ask you to find the set, and I think I forgot to take a screenshot of that. This is 2 parts. The first part is describe it in words, and then the second part will pop up and ask you to describe the set. So this would be the set of A and B and D and G, right? A and B and D and G. I'm not trusting my eyes. There we go. So A, comma, B, comma, D, comma, G. And then they want you to describe it in words. Let's see. All of them start the exact same way. They start with what G is. We're looking for the set of cars that have 3 or more years of warranty. All 4 of them say that. Okay. After that, it says or, and, or. When you're looking at this one says or, this one says and, this one says and this one says or. Okay. Make this a little bigger. When you have an intersection, that means and. If you have a union, it means or. So it's not going to be an or an or. And so it's either one of those two. And then we're looking at the green, which the green was does not have a good safety rating. So B says do not have a good safety rating. C says have a good safety rating. So it can't be C, so it's B. There you go. And then the second part pops up and you'll type in the set. And my last example says let U, remember that is the universal set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then A is 4, 5, 6, and 7, and they want you to find the complement of A. Well, A is 4, 5, 6, and 7, so if I remove 4, 5, 6, and 7, what is left would be the complement of 1, 2, and 3. So in this box I will type 1, 2, 3. And that is the end of my lecture for this. I hope you've enjoyed my videos and all of the sound is back.